How to unblock someone on REDnote app. Launch REDnote app on your phone. Make sure that you logged into your account. Proceed by tapping on Me or profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on this profile section, tap on gear icon next to profile at top right corner of your screen. You will land on settings section. Simply choose privacy settings. Now look for your option of blocked users. Scroll down. Once you locate it under Relationship section, tap on Blocked Users and you will find the list of blocked users on REDnote app. To unblock them, simply you can open it and tap on three dots at top right from their profile and tap on Unblock, or simply you can tap on Unblock button directly and unblock them on REDnote app. With this, you are good to go. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.